Today we're going to be teaching you how to cook Doug the Bug. So our little monkey, put him in the corner of the volcano. Step 1, put him in the corner of the volcano. Don't fill it up yet.
Here?
Let go of him. Now, he should be stuck. Now, we get coal. We fill it up until he's submerged in the lava. Be quick. And look at that. Now get on top of a branch because it's going to start overflowing. Don't worry, this is normal. Where did Doug go? The dog is and it now step 3, or is it step 4? Yeah, step 4. Again, wait a couple minutes and then go under. If he's not there, oh wait, if he's not there, you have to get another Doug the Bug. But if he's still there, he is great to eat. Now, if you're a rock monkey, it would be no problem swimming across the lava. But if you're not, you're dead.
Let me try.
And now we give it to a customer for him to try. Don't worry, customer, it's just the recipe of Doug the Bug. I need some stuff.
You're terrible at swimming, buddy.
No, really. I'm better in beach now.
Oh
Anyway, here you go. Roasting hot Doug the Bug. How do you rate it 1 to 10?
8.
Nice. I'll take that. Oh look, another dog. Do you want another?
I'm gonna do it now. I'm gonna do it this time.
Okay.
Give me the tag.
Now you're well prepared. Go and get him. But first we have to wait for the lava to cool down. We'll be back soon. Oh, let's see how the customer cooks it. So what
Wait, how did you do it again? Like shove him in the corner?
He puts it in the corner. Look at that. Stay still. Now he grabs coal.
Oh frick, I missed.
It will be much faster if he does it two-handed. Look at him fry. The sweet nectarine taste would sure taste good if he added a couple of rainbow drops in there.
Oh yeah.
That is for the seasoning. Come on. Now quickly now. The lava is going down.
I don't think I can do this by myself, because then the lava's just going extra quick.
Let's go. Now, I am now the customer. Now, you have to wait a while on top of the tree trunk, and then when he thinks it's ready, he goes down, dives into it, and gets Doug. Now, it's my turn to taste it. Oh, let's see what happens. He should be in the corner. He should be in the corner still. Now just grab in the corner that you put him in. It is gonna be a couple of minutes. This is why this is a video, not a short. Now it is my turn to try the food. Thanks. 9.5. Very crunchy.
Yay! Yay!
That is all for this. See you next time on We Cook Doug. Next time we will cook Matt the Bat. See you next time on Elle's Kitchen. Yeah.